A very good morning, dear students. Dear students, welcome to class 8th. And children, in SST, we are going to start with civics. We are starting with chapter number 1 of civics. As we have read in class 7, children, we talked about the uh, state level of the government. And now in 8th standard, children, we are going to talk about the uh, government at the national level. Fine. So, our first chapter is Indian Constitution. So, children, you might have heard the term constitution. So, what is constitution? That we are going to discuss. As you all know, it is a written document in which we find some rules written. Fine. But before going to that topic, before talking about the constitution, we will start this chapter with an instant with a story, you can say, of football. We are just going to discuss about football, children. As you know, the game football means that the game is to be played with the feet, players' feet. But children, there are certain rules for playing football. You can say that in any game which you play, there are certain rules. Children, if you play cricket, you might have you are already aware of the rules which you have to follow in cricket. So same way, this football game is also having certain rules. So the rules like if a player is touching the ball with the hand or holding the ball in the arms, so it is considered as foul. Fine. So children, same way, hockey, cricket and so many games, they all have some rules and regulations. Fine. So why the rules and regulations are required? So that there should not be chaos in between the match. Fine. So, when someone is going to follow the rules and regulation, the game is going to run smoothly. Same way, children, for a country also, we require certain rules, set of rules required. See, it's a big country. How can we run a country without setting any rules and regulations? So, got it, children? What is constitution? So, constitution is book of rules on which the country functions. So, the Indian constitution, if you talk about, so how the country is going to work, that we will get to know from the constitution. Whenever something goes wrong, we correlate it with the constitution. This is given in the constitution, this should happen. This is given in the constitution, this should happen. We do like this. So why we match the things with the constitution? Because it's a set of rules, it's a book of rules on which the country functions. Fine, children. So it's a written document on which the country functions. So, children, in this, see, in 6th and 7th standard, you have so many times you have talked about constitution, this and that, the definition. But, children, in this chapter, we are going to talk about why is constitution required. What's the need of writing down the constitution and who wrote it? Fine, in this chapter we are going to discuss all these two questions. We will get the answers to these questions. Why it is required, who wrote it, and then children we are going to talk about the key features of the Indian Constitution. Fine. So we each and every uh, feature is very important in the working of democracy. If we say India is a democratic country, so those key features should be a part of this. Fine. So this was just an introduction of the topic. Thank you and have a nice day.